Hey everyone, this is Kelly and welcome to day 4 of the Honeybee Stamps spring release. I'm going to get started with the stamp set called My Tribe. This is a huge 6x8 inch stamp set and you can see these beautiful unique designs. So you have that beautiful border stamp on the side there, with all the little feathers and beads and like dream catchers. So cool. As you can see there, it's longer than an A2 size card, so you can use it either vertically or horizontally. You have a dream catcher, lots of little feathers, an arrow, a little teepee, and then lots of great sentiments as well. So you have good vibes. Thanks for being part of my tribe. Together we rise. My tribe is beautiful or strong. Love my tribe. Lots of great combinations and ways that you can use this really unique stamp set. I love that. There's a coordinating die set with this stamp set as well. So there's a die that's going to cut that large border on the side there. And then there are dies that cut all the other elements and accessories in this stamp set. Love that. I love the creativity of this. I have stamped and cut out all of the elements for the stamp set so you can see exactly what they look like when they are stamped and cut. I love those little arrows. There's the dream catcher up in the top right, the little teepee, feathers. I love all the designs. The little feather or arrowhead, the little arrow. There are 3 different styles of hearts. It's another little feather. I cannot wait to stamp and color this. So unique. And here is that large border. You can see I've used the die to cut along that right hand edge there. And then for the other side, when it's stamped, you can either stamp it on paper, and if you want to die cut it and you have a little bit of space over there like I did, you could just take your trimmer and trim it straight across. Here's some beautiful inspiration from Leanne. I love her coloring and I love that she used the double stitch squares for the design on the top, and this beautiful card from Carol. Love all those arrows and hearts. The next 4x4 inch stamp set is called Shine On. As you can see there, you have a cute little nail polish bottle, a bow, you have sparkle and shine, you are tough as nails, shine on, nailed it, Manny thanks for helping me. There's a coordinating die set with this stamp set as well. Cuts out the little nail polish bottle, the bow, and it also cuts around some of those words, and it cuts the bold U. I've die cut these and stamped them so you can see what everything looks like. See the cute little nail polish bottle, sparkle, shine, Manny thanks. Perfect for teacher gifts or anything like that. Get a little manicure gift card. U, and you can see there I've cut the shadow and then the YOU. I've adhered the die cuts on top of that. And then you have U, and I've stamped on top of that one. And then the cute little bow. Perfect. Next up is Friends Like You. I love this set. You have sweeter, sparklier, shinier, better, and you have friends make everything sweeter, shinier, and you can also add the like you. Here Galena has made a super cute nail polish card with a shine on. Thanks for helping me sparkle and shine. I love this little shaker from Leanne. Super creative. Next up is the huge nail polish bottle card. So let me show you all of these pieces. So there is a polish bottle card. It has a little space in the middle where you can fold that and make that into a card, and then all the little pieces either to paper piece it together or to make a shaker. And let me show you a little bit on how this works. So if you cut out the pieces, you can just paper piece them together to make a simple card as I am showing here. I've cut the red and just put that on with all the other little layers and made my little nail polish bottle. That is a flat bow, and then it has a little square that I have popped up with just a little bit of foam tape to give it a little bit of dimension. So that one is an easy peasy, just paper pieced version. You can also make a shaker card. This die set is super versatile, and so what you do is cut your little card out, and then also cut your background if you like. I've cut that out of a peach cardstock. That's also the piece that you use just to paper piece it together. I've cut the little topper, and that's also what would hide the adhesive underneath. But I've also cut that card again. As you can see there, it's hard to see, but that's the card piece cut from acetate. And what you're going to do to make your shaker is just snip that right down the middle, and then that's going to be the little cover piece to hold all of your little sequins or glitter or whatever you want into that card. You're going to adhere that down with the sparkly stuff right underneath, and then you're going to put the topper right on top, and that's going to cover up all your adhesive underneath. So super versatile. You can either paper piece that together, or you can cut the bottle card again like Brenda has done here and make a super cute shaker card. I love this. I love the Manny thanks. I think that's my favorite little sentiment out of that set. Also, there is a puffy bow, or like a three-dimensional bow. I have cut that here out of gold. Let me get all the pieces so I can show you. So you're just going to tuck down the edges and curl the bow over, and then use some really strong adhesive like score tape. And then the little middle piece goes right over the middle. You can just add that on to your little polish wherever you'd like it. Super cute, super fun, and super versatile. Lots of different ways that you could put together this little nail polish card. So fun. Wouldn't that be fun for a little girl's birthday? Here's a card from Emily, and she has used both the stamp set and the card die set to create her card. Next up is the Angel Policy stamp set. Now this has lots of great sentiments and things that you can stamp on your envelopes, on the back of your card, lots of great things. So you have From My Hands to Your Heart, Consider This a Paper Hug, Sealed with a Kiss, Long Live Snail Mail, Made with Love, Please Deliver To, Handmade and Heartfelt. And you also have the little Honeybee logo down there and images by Honeybee Stamps. That way, if you make cards to sell at a craft fair, you can add that to the back of your card to make sure that you're saying where those images have come from. There's also a little die set that goes with this stamp set. It cuts out that little floral bouquet and then some of the other little accessories in the set. There's the cute little lips that you could seal your envelope. There's a cute little envelope with a heart in the middle. A couple of little bees, of course. We can't leave those out. So cute, and what a great way to stamp your cards and envelopes. I love that this is not junk mail. Super cute. Here's a card designed by Kaya. This is actually an envelope using lots of the elements from the Angel Policy stamp and die set. Now this stamp set is called Small Gang. You and I are more than friends. We're like a small gang. There's a die set that coordinates with this stamp set as well. So you have the friends and gang in a scripty font. You have the little shadows, and then you also have the super cute banner, as I have done here in yellow. I've die cut this as well so you can see exactly what those look like. And then I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how I stamped that and stamped it onto the banner, because it comes all in one stamp set. So what I did first was I stamped it all onto just the white cardstock and black ink without the banner. And then I used some temporary adhesive. I glued the banner down exactly where it needed to go, and then I masked the parts of the stamp that I didn't want to show on the stamping or on the banner. So I masked off the top and bottom so it just showed the really small. I inked that up, and then I took off my little post-it notes and I stamped it again using my MISTI, because it's really helpful to use a MISTI, and then you get it exactly where you want it, right on that banner. Easy peasy. And I love the look of this. Super cute. I love that it takes up the whole card, so that would be really fun to send to a friend. This card is from Carrie, and I love her super bright and sparkly design. Come back tomorrow for day 5, the final day of the Honeybee Stamps spring release. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.